Time's up. I need you to leave everything that you are up to. I'm about to give you something. Because now it is time to set up your mind. I would like to quote some of wise men's words. Because now I think it's time to let go of things that you cannot control. Wise man once said on one of his songs, "Life is a beast, but sometimes it's alright. Because sometimes you see the sun, but it doesn't shine." They say time is money, but money can make no time. So money with no money, life still goes. That is why you can't buy time. I say it again. Life is a beast, it's a monster, but it's still okay. So let go of things you cannot control. Because now you are in the level that no one can reach. You are in the zone where no one can stop in. So please keep it up. You are perfect doing in that way. Because your life need no filter. You know what? Please listen to me. I'm about to give you something. Money can buy anything, but they are precious things that money cannot buy. Just like your life. So stop focusing on things that comes and goes. Focus on things that comes once. Things that matters in order to build you. I'm talking about your life. So let it go. Let her go. Let him go. Let them go. It's time to go. Here we go. Because in life, enemies come to steal, kill, and destroy. So I need you to be an eraser and a pencil. Because I need you to erase your past and write your future along your goals. Allow others to fight through you. Because you are not the first person to lose. Allow to fall in order to lose it all. And pick up what believes in you. Listen, you can't lose your life because of useless things. Remember those days you were broke, you had nothing, and no one was there. But look now, you passed through it. You made it with no one, just you alone. If you can't see the beast inside of you, it doesn't mean the beast is not inside of you. You just need to search for it and make it public so that everyone can see the beast in you. Listen, time never stops. You do nothing, it goes away. You sleep, it goes away. And you roll, it rolls away. So listen, you gotta get up and chase that time. Don't wait for things that are not coming, because by doing so, you lose time. So please stop bringing close people who don't want to. So please stop doing wrong just to buy others' attention. Just focus on who wants to be with you. In this life, you were born alone and you will die alone. So let it go so that your past won't chase your future. So let it go so that your absence won't catch up your presence. I mean no one but you. You can do it and you can make it through it. Don't be scared to ride alone, because goals are personal. No matter how much you love it, you love him, you love her, you love them, you gotta let them go, because this land is still your home.